In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit site title in WordPress. Your site title is the name that appears in your header, browser tabs, and often in search results, so keeping it accurate and polished is important. Let's walk through the exact clicks to change it in the WordPress interface. Start by heading to wordpress.com in your browser. Once you're on the home page and signed in, look toward the left-hand side panel. This sidebar is your main navigation and makes it easy to jump between parts of your site. If you manage multiple sites and need to change the title for a different one, open the dashboard from this panel to switch to the correct site first. That way you won't accidentally edit the wrong place. If you only need to update the site you're currently on, you can stay right on the home page. When you choose to stay on home, glance over to the right-hand side. You'll see your site listed there. Hover your mouse over the site to reveal quick actions. From the options that appear, click Edit Site. This opens the site editor where you can make changes that affect your overall design and global elements. Inside the editor, move your cursor over the site title in the header area. When you hover over it, you'll see that it becomes selectable for editing. Click the title to activate the text field. Delete the current site title so the field is clear, then type your new title exactly as you'd like it to appear. Keep it short, descriptive, and easy to read. It can help to include your brand name and a keyword that reflects your content, but avoid anything overly long that could get truncated in tight spaces. With your new title in place, it's time to save. Click Save in the top corner of the editor. WordPress will ask you to confirm with a prompt that essentially says you're about to apply these changes. When you see that confirmation, click Save again to finalize. You should see a brief success message, and your updated title will appear in the header preview. That's it. Your site title is now updated across your theme's global areas. If it doesn't appear to change immediately on the public site, give your browser a quick refresh or clear your cache to see the latest version. Thanks for following along, and great job keeping your branding consistent and clear.